again. So today we're gonna do this Audi oil change, air filter and oil filter. So this one is very straightforward and easy. So let's do it. And it is a A3 Sports. So the first thing, we're gonna move the engine cover. You just pull it up like that. Cover is off. You can rest it there. Then we're gonna pull the oil cover. Just catch it like that. And then we're gonna go underneath and remove the under tray. So now we're gonna move the under guard. And take it away. Put it one side. So all you need to drain the oil is just a 19 spanner and a bucket. So now we're gonna drain the oil and then we change the filter. So while the oil is draining, we're just gonna go up top and see if we can remove the oil filter. And the oil filter is right down there, so to reach to the oil filter you have to remove this small bracket. Just use a little torque and remove it. Put it one side like that. Then I think it's a 32 socket. Pull the filter. I think little oil will come out, but don't worry about that. We can use a brake cleaner to dry up that. So just I put this right here. So when the filter come up, you can rest on that thing. Yeah, play around with it a little. Come out. It is out. So it carry two O-ring, one here, one there, and this big one, three of them. So we're just gonna change the filter now. Oil filter is out. So I'm just gonna get that screwdriver, pop off the seal, and we're gonna put on the new one. You can give it a little spray brake cleaner. You don't have to, because O-ring. Well, easy. That's it. Can put a little oil around the big one. Make it go on a little bit easier. But it's straightforward. No rocket science to do this. Then we're just gonna put in the new filter like that. And it's ready to go back in. So now to put back in the filter in the housing, just wiggle it a little bit, play around with it, and find its way back in. That's it. And you get back here, 32 socket, and you wind it back in, same way. You don't have to torque it or nothing. Or from it tight, it tight. I don't think it can go no further. That's it. Very tight. So now we're gonna go back, tighten the bung, put on back the underguard, and throw in the oil. But first, we're gonna put back this bracket first with that sensor. The torque fall, but I have the right thing for it. The good old Madnick. That is tight. So move on to the next. So let's tighten back the bung. All you have to do is just tighten it till it's well tight. You don't have to put too much in it. And that's it. So now we're gonna put on back the guard and then pour in the oil, and that's it. Then we do the air filter. So that is the oil come out of the car. So if you don't know the measurements and you want to find out how much oil it uses, just pour back the whole oil in a bottle and you can measure it after that. Okay, so it's time to do the air filter. It carry about a couple Phillips screw. So we're gonna remove them and put in the filter. And it's straightforward. All you have to do, just use your common sense. All you have to do, use up your common sense, and you can do it. Not that hard, you know. But if you can't do it, just bring it to the garage and then do it for you. But if you want to save some money, try and do it yourself, you know. So, remove the filter, very easy. All you have to do is just pull it up like this. Then you see the old one. You just hold it, pluck it out, and that's it. Filter is out. And it carry a plastic tray. If there's any trash, you just remove that. And it's pretty clean, so we don't have to do nothing. So out with the owl and in with the new. The air filter you don't have to use no expensive brand, cause is a filter. So just drop it in like that. Make sure it sit in. Then clamp it down like that. Screw it down. Straight forward. That's it. That's it. Job done. So we got about 8 Phillips screws, or 9, not sure. There are lots. So if you want to find out how many oil come out the car, you just get an empty bucket, pour it out, and then
oil is black.
And then you will know the measurement, how to put back the right measurement
So
in the car.
Put the oil after it?
But it use 4.5. Really sure, but I'm gonna check the measurement. So I think this is 4 liter, 4.3 liter. So we're gonna add the same amount, and then after we see what's happening. So now is the time to add the oil. So I'm gonna put 4 liter for now and check it, and then later I put the rest. This oil is a 5-30. So now we had the oil, we're gonna check the oil level, and as you can see, it's right there, so that's good. Everything is fantastic. So we can start him up now and see, make sure everything is fine. So now we're gonna put on back the engine cover. All you have to do, just put it on, press it like that. Good to go. So now the service is finished. So we're just gonna start it and make sure everything is fantastic. So everything is good. So all we're gonna do now is just reset the service light, and that's it. Service done. So that is how you do a Audi A3 Sports. So please like, share, subscribe to the channel for more video like this. I'm out. So if we set the service light, all you have to do is just switch it on, and pull up this one like that. Then hold it till you see it change, and that's it. Oil service set. So all you have to do is just switch off back the vehicle, then switch it on back, and that's it. Service reset. So that is how you do the Audi service.